Hi friends, and welcome to day 3 of introductions for Mama Elephant's April 2025 release. Today we are introducing Magical Wizards and its coordinating creative cuts. We are also introducing a new sentiment stamp set called Spell Abilities, as well as another sentiment set called Handmade Labels. And finally, we introduce our Studded Stars creative cuts. Let's take a look at the Magical Wizards stamp set first. I'm a big fan of fantasy, so this stamp set is really right up my alley. It is called Magical Wizards, and as you can see, there are 3 different wizards included and a lot of images to decorate your scene. Today I'm showing you how I color the little hamster wizard, and as always you can find the colors I use in the description below. Now, I'm not using the ATC creative cuts for this card, but as you can see, the little circular images line up perfectly to be used with that die set. Finally, I add my white gel pen accents. And that finishes the coloring for today. I really love how these turned out. Now let's take a look at the Studded Stars creative cuts. There are 3 dies included in this set. The first one makes the studded star backdrop. The second one cuts both a circle as well as some studded stars for the center of your card. And the third one can be used at the top of your card. Next, let's check out the Spell Abilities Sentiment stamp set. This set is perfect when you want to create a trading card using the ATC creative cuts. But also if you don't want to combine them, there are lots of ways in which you can use these sentiments. The Handmade Labels Sentiment stamp set also coordinates perfectly with the ATC creative cuts. But this set also includes a variety of different sentiments you can use, like handmade with love, baked with love, or even crocheted with love, so it's very versatile. I choose to decorate my envelope with them. Let's move on to creating a card. I cut out the Studded Stars backdrop from some dark blue cardstock. I also cut a panel out of light yellow cardstock to go behind it, and I made sure it was slightly larger so I would have a border around my studded stars. I'm using the Spring in the Air creative cuts to make this little background. I cut it from some teal cardstock. I lined it up and added some tape to the back. And now I'm adding some accents using Faded Jeans Distress ink. I'm using the smaller one of the Flirty Scallop frames, and I'm lining my Spring in the Air creative cuts behind it. I used the Spell Abilities stamp set to stamp Stay Legendary in the corner. I'm adding some vellum to the back, and now I'm using some tape runner to place my scene into the center of my card. Now we can take all our cute little images and decorate our scene. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 4 of introductions for this release. This release will be available from the 15th of April. Bye!